Hello dear students, this week you are going to learn how to make kente paper weaving art. So this is how it looks. So for that you need some colorful strips with 2 cm width and 10 cm long. I have taken one blue color sheet which is A4 size, some sketch pens, scissor and glue. So first we will fold this paper. See carefully how I have folded the paper. And now with the help of scale, I am going to mark 2 centimeter dots. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Once this marking is done, I am going to draw standing lines. Now from top also we are going to leave 2 centimeter distance and just draw a line. Leave a little bit distance from the top. So here you can see I have done one sleeping line in the top. That line is done so that I can cut the strips only till that line and not the entire paper. So now I'm going to cut those standing lines, but only till the sleeping line. It's only till here. Be very careful while cutting, otherwise you might end up cutting the entire strip. So I'm done cutting all the strips. And now we will start weaving. So down, up, then again weave it down, take it out, again weave it down. Yes, now just tuck a little bit inside and paste it. Now you don't have to put glue for every strip, but just at the start and at the end you have to put a dot glue. Similarly, we will do it for the yellow color strip, but this time remember the weaving has to be a little bit different. So again at the start and at the top we will apply a little bit glue and we will paste it. Now we are doing this in a pattern, so be very careful while inserting the strips. You can use your various color strips. I have just used yellow and red. You can use orange color, dark blue color, light pink color. It will look very pretty. Now like the first red color strip, I am going to do the same weaving for this red strip. And the extra which is coming out, we can cut it later. So to tell you more about this kente, so this kente comes from the word kenten, which means basket in the Asante dialect of Ekan. So Ekan refers to kente, which means woven cloth. So it is an Ekan royal and sacred cloth worn only in times of extreme importance and was the cloth of kings. So it is purely hand woven, no machinery is used. Weavers sit inside a wooden handloom to create long, narrow, interwoven strips that are later sewn together by a tailor. So once we are done with the weaving of strips, I am going to take black color sketch pen and I am going to do design. Now here I am doing a random V design. You can have wavy design, you can have U pattern, X, then slanting line, sleeping line, various patterns you all can use here, and also different color sketch pens. Now here I have done a V pattern, you can do U pattern, you can draw it in a heart shape. So be creative and do your own design. You don't have to copy what patterns I am doing it over here. Also you can use various sketch pen colors. You can do this entire thing with white color strips as well. So this kente cloth originated with the Asante people of Ghana. It dates back 375 years, conceived in a village called Bonwire. Upon returning home, they made the first cloth out of black and white fibers from a raffia tree. So this kente cloth is made from thin strips about 4 centimeters thick, woven together on narrow looms, typically by men. The strips are interlaced to form a fabric that is usually worn wrapped around the shoulders and waist like a toga. The garment is also known as kente. It is said it depends on the size of the cloth, but it might take 3 days to 1 month to weave one cloth. Now I wanted to put some fancy lace at the bottom of this cloth. So I took this red color strip and folding it into half, then again half. And now we will cut small strips till a particular distance, like how we did the blue color paper. Just apply little bit Fevicol and paste it. You can use your multicolor paper as well, it will look very pretty. And now again with the black color sketch pen I am doing the V pattern so that it looks the same piece of paper. So our first one is done with white paper with some colorful strips. You can do that way also. Thank you.